Welcome back. Now that we have installed WordPress, now the next step for us is to choose a theme that we want to use to build our site. The good news is I have already set up a theme and developed a theme that we are going to use rather than using a template from WordPress itself. So to start off, I want you to understand what a theme is. A theme is basically the front end of the site, is what people see and the layout of it. The theme doesn't define the content. The theme is mainly the look and feel of something. So what we need to understand is we're not using any of these. So normally I will delete them. But before I do that, I want to introduce you the Squadro themes that I have created for us. You will have access to these on the coursework files. So in here we will install this. So I want to show you two different ways of installing a theme. The first way is clicking Add New while it's loading. Click on Upload, and then open your folder, drag it in, okay? And this will then unzip the file and install it for you. Now, we have a child theme, basically so that if we ever update our main theme, it doesn't affect our site. The other way of uploading a theme is going back to the main file, look for XAMPP on our folders. So if I just make this bigger, I'll look for XAMPP, I'll come to HD docs, and then I'll look for Squadron. In here, I'll look for WP content, and then I'll look for themes. And then I will paste the zip file here. The challenging part is I need to extract it here again. So after that, I will then delete this. Now I will just go back to my theme again, and these two should show. Now I'm going to activate the child theme. Okay. So when I'm building this theme, I have integrated some plugins so that it comes with some plugins for you, so you don't need to look for them. So this is the way of uploading the theme. In the next lecture, we are going to install our plugins.